Hello sweet love, and welcome to this EFT tapping meditation to come back to focus and concentration. I invite you to find a comfortable position if you haven't done so yet, and to softly start tapping on the side of your hand. And whenever you're ready, taking a few deep breaths in and out here. In through the nose and out through the mouth. Please always feel free to change any words I say if there's anything that resonates more with you. Otherwise, repeating me out loud or silently. If it feels good to you, you can close your eyes, otherwise keeping a soft gazing point. Continuing to tap on the side of your hand. Even though sometimes I find it really hard to focus, and my thoughts go everywhere. Right now, I choose to return to the present moment. Even though sometimes I find it really hard to focus, and my thoughts go everywhere. Right now, I choose to return to the present moment. Even though sometimes I find it really hard to focus, and my thoughts go everywhere. Right now, I choose to return to the present moment. Now gently tapping on the top of your head. I can't seem to focus. Eyebrow point. I can't seem to focus. Side of the eyes. I cannot seem to concentrate. Under your eyes. My mind just keeps on racing. Under your nose. I can't seem to shut my mind off. Under your mouth and filling in the blank at the end of the sentence. And this makes me feel like just below your collarbones. And I'm acknowledging that that's just how it is right now. Under your armpit. This is just what it is right now. Back to the top of your head. It's difficult to focus. Eyebrow point. I'm getting distracted by all these different things. Side of the eyes. But what is truly here right now? Under your eyes. What would it be like to notice my breath? Under your nose. To notice the air around me. Under your mouth. What if I could breathe out all these thoughts? And let the air take it for me. Just below your collarbones. I imagine letting go of all that I don't need right now. So I can come back to focus. So I can come back to the here and now. Under your armpit. And what if it all works out? I can be here now. Now gently tapping on the top of your hand between your ring and pinky finger. I choose to let go of anything that I don't need right now. I choose to concentrate on the here and now. I return to this present moment. I can be here. Now gently stop tapping, taking a few more deep breaths in and out. And whenever you're ready, open your eyes if you haven't done so yet. I hope you feel rejuvenated and a reset to presence. If you like this video, please leave a like and a comment and share it with a loved one or perhaps on your social media. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. These little things make a big difference to us. May every day become a chance to ritualize your life. Tap with you soon. Bye bye.